a great day to garden. Perfect. Time to get some serious gardening done. Hi, I'm Carson. I'm with the Rochester Pollinators and Locally Sown. Today I'm going to show you that you can still garden in winter with a process called winter sowing. So, how is it possible that we can garden in winter? Well, native plant seeds have a thick coat that is only broken by the freeze-thaw cycle. So let me show you how to garden in winter. Here's what you need to get started. First you need a translucent plastic jug. Next you need some moist soil, then seeds, then duct tape, and then a Sharpie and a blade. If you want to follow along, you can download these instructions from the video description. Step 1. With the blade, you'll need to cut 3 small drainage holes in the bottom of the jug. Kids, ask grown-ups for help. Thanks, Dad. Step 2. Draw a line around the bottle 5 inches from the base. Cut along the line, leaving at least 1 inch uncut as the hinge. Dad, I need you to cut something again. I'll be right back. Wow, that was fast. Okay, step 3. Add 3 inches of your soil to the container. Okay, so once you have the soil in your jug, you'll want to spread the seeds on the surface of the soil. I got these seeds from the seed library at Dinosaur Hill Nature Center. This is nodding wild onion, and it attracts hummingbirds and pollinators. Native plant seeds are like teenagers. They like to hang out, so don't be afraid to plant a lot of native plant seeds. The next thing you're going to want to do is take the bottle shut. And you can leave the cap off. You're not going to need it. The last thing you'll want to do is to label it so that you know what's been planted. Check seeds occasionally and water if dry. Watch for seedlings in mid-April. And there you have it. You just garden in winter. Thanks for watching.